Here is a first-person biography of a fictional character named Sophia, designed to be a clear and comprehensive example of a self-introduction. My life story. Sophia. Introduction and early life. Hello, my name is Sophia. I am 29 years old. I was born in 1995 in the beautiful and rainy city of Seattle, Washington, where I was also raised. I grew up in a warm, middle-class family. I lived with my parents and my two siblings. I have an older brother named Mark, who is a successful architect, and a younger sister, Sarah, who works as a graphic designer. Living in such a creative family always inspired me to think outside the box. Childhood and interests. As a child, I was very curious and quiet. While other kids were playing video games, I spent most of my time reading adventure novels and solving puzzles. I also loved nature. My father often took us hiking on weekends, which gave me a deep appreciation for the outdoors. Education. I attended a local public high school where I discovered my passion for communication and psychology. After graduating from high school with honors, I decided to pursue this path further. I enrolled at the University of Washington and chose to major in business administration with a specialization in digital marketing. I loved my time at university. It challenged me and helped me build a strong network. I proudly graduated in 2017 with a bachelor's degree. Career and goals. Currently, I work as a senior marketing manager for a tech startup based in downtown Seattle. My main goal is to eventually start my own consultancy firm to help small, eco-friendly businesses grow their brand. Job satisfaction. To be honest, I am very satisfied with my current job. It allows me to be creative and analytical at the same time. The work environment is dynamic, and my colleagues are supportive. Regarding my income, I am happy with it. It provides me with financial stability and allows me to travel once a year, which is important to me. Advice for success. If I were to give advice on how to succeed, I would say two things. Never stop learning. The world changes fast, and you need to adapt. Don't be afraid of failure. Every mistake is just a lesson that brings you one step closer to your goal.